To save the file, make sure that you are in the file, and then go to save as and browse, or you may go to documents, and then create a new folder, write A5 or AB or B5, A5 or B5, sorry, or 5A, and practical, open, double click or open, then write your name, 1 plus ICT 5B, practical, and then save. Okay, that is the proper way of saving your documents or files. And to change the display settings, right click and then display settings and display, go down, and then resolution to 1024 by 768, and then keep change. Okay, on recommended, keep change. Okay, and then close. Again, to save the file, go to, make sure that you are in the file, and then save as, browse, go to documents, new folder, write 5B, that's practical, and then double click and write your name. Okay, and save. Okay, and then to change the display settings, just press the right button of your mouse, then go to display settings and look for the display and display resolution. Change to 1024 by 70 or 1 to 80. Okay, and then keep change and done. Okay.